Okay, let's go.
Welcome you guys for the Mass Dam Suritan ride. Now I'm at Peta station and we are going towards Ella. There is an officer to check the tickets. Some people hang on the doorstep to get the view of divine nature. Some tourists sit on the footboard to relax with nature. Some are using mobile phones. Some are reading books. Some are eating. Guys, we go through tunnels. There are farming areas, plenty of tea plants. We go through town areas. Guys, the railway is interesting. Guys, the hotel surrounding has been visited, right? I talked with one of the Egypt Aki and she says,
I was Sri Lanka. It has everything. It's cheap, good nature, good food, good people. Has
how about people in Sri Lanka?
Yeah, I love them. They're the most kind of the universe. I love them.
I have been invited to get into the cockpit area of a train. Guys, this is the train driver's area of a train. Guys, finally I ended the 10 hours and 15 minutes train ride from Peta to Demodara. Just one second, see you one more time.